If your Hotmail inbox has been filling up with junk and spam, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to block Hotmail junk mail using a simple, updated 2025 method that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll have a cleaner inbox, less frustration, and more control over the emails you actually want to see. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Outlook login page. If you're unsure where that is, just search Outlook login, and it should be the very first result. Once you're there, click the Sign In button and enter your Hotmail email address and password. After you've logged in, head over to your inbox by selecting Mail from the Outlook homepage. You'll probably see a few unwanted emails sitting around, but don't worry, because we're about to stop them from ever landing here again. Look toward the top right corner and click on the settings icon. The little gear symbol, this is where all your customization tools live. A sidebar will appear, and from there, click Mail to open up Outlook's email-specific settings. In the Mail Settings menu, find and select Junk Email. This is the control center for everything spam related. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Block Senders and Domains. Go ahead and click it. This is the feature that really does the heavy lifting. Here, you can add any email address or domain you never want to hear from. Again, maybe it's a persistent spammer, a sketchy newsletter, or a sender you simply don't trust. Type it into the box, click Add, and Outlook will automatically filter those emails straight into your junk folder or block them entirely without them ever touching your inbox again, and that's it. Once you've added your unwanted senders, you've officially taken back control of your inbox. No more endless clutter, no more wasted time scrolling through garbage, just a cleaner, more organized email experience. I hope this walkthrough helped you tame your Hotmail inbox. Keeping things organized doesn't just save time, it makes your whole digital life feel lighter. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more of my tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.